Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60-Second SEO. Today we're going to talk about how CNN handles rolling coverage, and really just some lessons that SEOs everywhere can learn from this. So, if you search for an ongoing story, let's say it's the Russia-Ukraine war, a topic that's been rolling on for years at this point. Let's see how CNN handles that and how they treat it from an SEO perspective, because we see they perform pretty well here. So we go to their individual article, they have this live updates article, and what's really interesting here is they actually date the URL, right? And they have 9/22/23 directly in the URL. And what CNN is actually doing is every day they're creating a new URL around the story to signal freshness to be included in top stories. So if I go back to the previous day, there's a URL created there. If I go back to the previous day, there's another URL created there. And they're creating a new one every single day. And this kind of goes against a couple of SEO quote-unquote best practices, where generally a recommendation is to keep the same URL to improve its authority and then to always redirect that content over. CNN's really going against that, and they're creating new URLs every day. But what they need to do that in order to signal freshness signals to Google to even be eligible for top stories are the results at the bottom here, because these are changing every single day. So the big lesson for SEO is on the importance of freshness, leverage freshness in your content, and really be critical of sometimes about the quote-unquote best practices, because here we see that CNN is ignoring them and still winning in the search results when it comes to having fresh content.